13 Terrain. Apparently it's crank no start. Give it a shot here. Got 335 kilometers, 1,000 kilometers on the. Okay, it is definitely no start. I'm gonna hook up a scan tool. So I checked the codes here, and I got lean condition. I got a fuel pump control circuit code and misfire. And actually, I don't remember hearing the fuel pump run. I'm gonna just try it here, see if the camera picks anything up. No, I don't hear anything, so I'll go and I guess check the fuses, but yeah, we'll see where we get there and move on from there. I checked the fuses for the fuel pump module there, and they check out okay, so I guess I'll take a look. I'm thinking maybe we got a bad fuel pump, but I'm gonna take a look at the fuel pump module. Just at the back of the vehicle here now, near where the spare tire is, there's the module there, and sticking my hand down in there, there's a little bit of wet like water, a bit of mud and stuff down in there, so I'm a little bit concerned about that. I'm going to get the connector off and check the powers and grounds, and we'll go from there. Okay, I'm just at the control module here again. I've got power and ground ran from the front of the vehicle to the back here, so I can use the LED test light, and we'll check for powers and ground to the module, I guess. And I know that's not load testing the circuit, but at least it's going to give me an indication here. Red light is on. That's the ground there, green. So these will be my outputs from the module to the fuel pump. I'm actually wondering if maybe I could try and jumper those across. See if I can hear anything on the pump. Okay, I decided to take a look under the vehicle here. There was a lot of electrical tape with a previous repair. A little concerned about corrosion on the wires. I'm starting to wonder if it's not the fuel pump. And get you guys in here where I can see the connector. And you want to just try that key there? Just cycle it forward. I've wiggled it a bit, and we'll see if I can hear anything. Yeah, just pulled the connector apart, and I'm sorry I can't really get you in there where I need to, but anyway, we got the connector pulled apart, and I thought I'd try and jump some power directly to the fuel pump, and there it is. You can hear it running. So the problem's obviously in the wiring, in the connector. I'm gonna have to get it inside and up on a hoist, so I'm gonna try and jump power to it just enough that I can drive it, maybe get it into my shop, and then we'll have a better look at it if it's in the air.
So I'm assuming.
Okay, here's my setup here. I just plugged into the connector. There's two big pins on that connector. One's, you know, obviously for power, one for ground, and I got little gator clips clipped onto the pins there, and just ran extension wire up and over the car and up to the battery just to power the pump. And it was running like a bag of poop, but got it in here. It's on the hoist. We'll get it up in the air and see what's going on. Okay, I just wanted to video this here because I wanted to show the importance of load testing the circuit. So I've got an LED test light right here, and there's ground. You can see it's lit up, and there's the hot side. Can you go ahead and turn the key on? turn the key on. There, see, so we got power there now. Okay, shut the key off. Now if we go to an incandescent test light and touch it, try the key on again. Got absolutely nothing. And so it's just, we got a lot of resistance in those wires. I'm going to do the repair and we'll check in after I got that done. Oh yeah, just wanted to show you, hopefully the camera can pick that up. The green crusties is just unbelievable there, so we're gonna cut that out of there, I guess. Hopefully I got enough wire to work with. If not, I might try and find some old wires with a pin that's the same and kind of pigtail push it back into the connector. But we'll get this repaired. That's obviously what the problem is, and everything else should be good. Okay, moment of truth here. Got the repair done. Well, that's it. Thanks so much for watching.